Hi students, this is Ripple, which we have been working on. It's one of the last songs that we added to the session. And I remind you, we have 2 full weeks left. We finish on December 16th. And ironically, the class comes back on January 16th of 2024. But I wanted to be clear about tab, and I may not have been so clear in the past. It's from the left to the right. These numbers are the frets on the strings. And so from left to right, we have single notes. This is a single melody. And it would start here from the second fret of the A string to the E string, 3rd fret, back to the A where it started, 2nd fret, then 3rd fret, and then open D, and then again 3rd finger on the E string, which is actually a G. So it would be, bum 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 bum, and then the next measure, it goes from left to right, a linear fashion. And the fortunate thing is we don't have double stops. We don't have like 2 notes stacked up in a vertical fashion. That happens a lot in classical music. You have, chordal type clusters. But this is a single line melody. Now, the bummer about tablature is that you don't have any rhythm. That it is simply the, you have to know the tune. Let me demonstrate now. So this is, I would use the same fingers in the frets. Like first position means our first finger is on the 1st fret, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger. So I would, whenever there's a 3rd fret, I would use the 3rd finger, and as such, just like that. 2, 3, 2, 3, open, like that. Again, so it's left to right. Then you go up to the G string. And you start using hammer downs. Let me go back to the text, or the tab, I should say. So I'm going to play this right now, straight through. All 7 measures. And I do take exception, because what the tab is the melody. It's the melody. On this last measure, I really think there should be 2 opens before the stopped 2nd fret of the G string and then the open G string. I think da 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 da, because that's how the melody goes in the song. But here we goes from the top, very slow. 4, 1, 2, start. 2, 3, 4, 1. I played 2 opens. Now let me take the tempo up. 1, 2, no, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, sing. me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, ready, play. 2, 3, 4, 1. That's long. And now. And I was using the fingering, the same frets, same fingers. I use second finger for second frets. I use third fingers for third fret. Just like that. Work with that, and good luck, and hopefully you'll get an aha moment from this.